Still on land-related issues, residents of the Ackee Walk and the Jacksontown communities in St. Andrew are among the latest beneficiaries of the government's land titling program as the administration moves ahead with plans to make public lands available for legal acquisition by Jamaicans. Antonia Atkinson has the details in this report.
The announcement was made by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness during the Ackee Walk and Jacksontown land titling ceremony, where 40 residents received certificates of title. The Prime Minister said public entities have been directed to identify land that can be released through a structured and competitive process aimed at expanding property ownership.
The ownership remains insecure. The law says possession is 9/10 of it. But not because you have it means that having it, you can't be dispossessed of it. And therefore we need to go the other 10% of it.
Dr. Holness underscored the importance of securing land ownership in protecting citizens' rights.
One, build an economy where everyone can have the means to acquire property. You can have a job, you can get education, you can create things, you can sell, you can develop new products, develop a company if you want, you can make money.
Meanwhile, Minister with responsibility for land titling and settlement, Robert Montague, encouraged beneficiaries to protect their newly acquired assets and urged other Jamaicans to formalize their land holdings.
I want to say to the persons who are here to receive their titles, it is not a piece of paper you are getting. You are getting hope, you are getting opportunity, you are getting security, and you are getting something for dead left give your children. Therefore, you must protect it, and you must encourage others to start the process as well. But you have some persons here in our country that are determined not to go through the legal route to acquire land, but to squat on government lands.
Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.